to the channel, Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place you can place your gadgets in peace. Guys, once again, thank you for coming to the bathroom and having me review one of my gadgets. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button so you can get notifications each time I upload. So today I'm so excited to be reviewing the Magic CM1 VR goggles. These things can do so much. I can't wait to show you guys everything they can do. Let's get it to the workbench. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I already done the unboxing. I have so much to talk about, so I'm just going to run through it. You have the user manual for the Magic CM1. You also get the data card / the charging wire, and you get a micro HDMI cable and the headset themselves. The headset comes with a headband. My headband is already on there. You have to put yours on when you first get it. This, guys, is just totally awesome. The thing feels really good in your hand. I mean, this headset, these goggles, man, is just mind-blowing. Right here you have your volume up, you have your power button. Your end button allows you to switch between modes, VR modes. You have like a little cursor on the side, the middle being select, and a little back button. At the top you have a spot for your headset, you have a spot for your HDMI, and you have a spot for your USB. Underneath you have a spot for your micro SD card, and also comes with a Bluetooth compatible remote. If you're not certified this remote, you can use a Bluetooth gaming control. So I will have to say, my favorite thing about the goggles, and one of my favorite things about the goggles, that it allows you to connect to the Google Play Store, and you can go ahead and download apps. It comes with 2 gigs of RAM, people. That's faster than some of the Android boxes, and it comes with 16 gigs of storage and expandable up to 32 gigs, or I think 64 gigs. You can see right here that I downloaded the DJI 4 app. We'll get to that later. You can do all of the YouTubing right here. If you don't want to use your Bluetooth controller that comes with it, they have a built-in feature that I love. You just turn your head and just click on the keyboard, any letter, any numbers you want. Absolutely amazing, and it goes rather fast. I can do all of my YouTubing right here. Again, apps that I can download from the Google Play stores, but it comes pre-installed with tons and tons of apps. I don't have time to go through all of the apps, but I just want to give you guys an example. And as we're going through it, you can see that the goggles are switching between the VR modes and then to the full screen movies and everything else. The DJI Mavic goggles is about $400 or $500, and you can't play movies or whatever. With these goggles, I can use the DJI app, the native app, and fly my drone. Check this out. Got nothing above it on that one.
Nothing above it. Oh, my bad.
Stop.
Daquan.
What are you looking at?
I was looking at it, but the way it looked like that was on.
Done. Welcome back to the channel. So, man, I know you probably felt cheated, but I didn't have enough time to go through every last app and every last thing that this thing had to offer. Mainly, this thing is a beast. The thing that surprised me the most was the computing power, the RAM, the speed that it had. I watched tons and tons of YouTube videos, 1080p, no hiccups, able to handle my Wi-Fi just fine, just perfect, very secure, very comfortable on my face. I did not do a battery life test, but I can tell you that I had it on my face. I fell asleep with them on, so at least an hour and a half full battery before the battery drained.